जो भी स्टेज के ऊपर आता है वो सिर्फ एक ही प्लेयर का नाम लेता है बार बार, उसकी शराफत, उसकी अच्छाई, उसकी गुडनेस के बारे में। यूवी बेटा, और किसके पास माइक्रोफोन है? इधर उधर क्या देख रहा है तू? कौन बुला रहा होगा तेरे को? हाँ? माइक मेरे पास है ना, तेरे को देता हूं ना माइक। यू वांट अ कम। Gentlemen from Kings 11 Punjab, the one and only Yuvraj. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the finest players, also one of the only players in the world, if I'm not incorrect, agar galat ho to bata dena, to hit 6 sixers in 1 over in T20. And one of the nicest gentlemen, थोड़ा सा बदमाश है, लेकिन अभी जवान है, छोटा है, बच्चा है, ठीक हो जाएगा बड़ा होते होते। And I'm not going to keep him alone here on stage because he said, मुझे अकेले जो है शर्म आती है, तो किसी और को भी साथ में बुला लेना। How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good?
आपको देख के खुश हो गया हूँ मैं।
अच्छा लग रहा है?
बहुत ज्यादा।
हाँ, प्यार आ रहा है मुझ पे?
बहुत ज्यादा।
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for one of the greatest cricketers of our time, Yuvraj Singh. Come on. And I'm going to call on stage another friend of ours, a great asset to our country, because he's come from outside, led the way, shown us, and shows the youngsters what grit, determination, and leadership is. Put your hands together for one and only, Mr. Adam Gilchrist. Come on, Adam. Wonderful to have you here. Great honor, Adam, to meet you once again. You're a wonderful man. I want to ask both of you a few questions. So, Adam, will you bear with me till I speak to this young gentleman here who has problems which I need to sort out. Okay, युवराज, मैं जहां पर भी जाता हूं दुनिया के अंदर, सारे के सारे लोग मुझको ऐसा रोमांस का किंग मानते हैं। बट whenever I see girls, कुछ बोलना चाहता है तो बोलना ही तो वहां भी, तो मुझे बात खत्म करने दे पहले। मैं जहां पे भी जाता हूं तो सारी की सारी लड़कियां जो है नॉर्मली मुझ पर मरती हैं, कहती हैं आपको रोमांस आता है, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना, ऑल दैट स्टफ। बट लेटली आई हैव नोटिस कि हर कोई मुझसे पूछता है कि यूवी कैसा है, यूवी कैसा है, युवराज ठीक है। सो लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स आर लाइकिंग यू एंड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड मे बी आई एम गेटिंग ओल्डर, हो सकता है कि मुझ में वो रोमांटिक बात नहीं रही हो, बट आई वांट टू सर्वाइव लॉन्गर। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि तुमसे कुछ स्पेशलिटी तुम्हारी सीख लूं। आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग हिम ही इज वेरी गुड विद गर्ल्स।
Correct.
Okay, you know that.
Even I understood that.
Adam doesn't know Hindi, but he understood that, huh, Yuvraj? Look at their far and wide
Larry
reputation
doesn't know
here.
Hindi right now.
Okay, we're going to teach him Hindi at the end of this, yeah? You and I, because he's come to India, done so much for our country. So I want to know, if suppose you had to propose to Lara.
Brian Lara?
Brian. No, Lara.
आप specify करो, आप, please.
See, don't mess with me. I meant Lara Datta, the beautiful Lara Datta. What would I say to her that she would have a date with me? Harbhajan, हाँ कह रहा है,
I need to ask my love guru for that.
हाँ, बता दे भाई.
Harbhajan Singh, I've taken tips from him. I call him my love guru. Whenever I have issues with women, I go and talk to Bhaji.
Bhaji?
So, अगर Lara Datta, I would say, अगर तुम्हारा house full है, तो मेरा घर खाली है.
That's very smart, Yuvraj. I'm wanting to know more. How would you say to Priyanka Chopra for me or yourself? You like her? You
yeah,
find Priyanka
she's very
attractive?
hot. Yeah,
she's very hot.
nice, yeah.
So how would you propose to her or say something on my behalf or yours?
I would say कि प्रियंका, जंगली बिल्लियां मुझे बहुत पसंद है, कमीने कम हम भी नहीं है.
He said, जंगली बिल्लियां मुझे बहुत पसंद है, कमीने तो कम हम भी नहीं हैं.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Very, very honest and good.
It's coming from there.
ये तो हरभजन ने सिखाया तुझको. Okay, let me try another lady with you. How about Katrina Kaif?
I would say मैं बारिश कर दूं पैसे की. Sorry, मैं आगे बोल नहीं सकता क्योंकि अगर भाई आ गया बहुत मारेगा इधर.
मैं इसको तुझे बताना चाहता हूँ, भाई अगर यहाँ आया तो तुझे मारने से पहले मुझे बहुत मारेगा. तो तू बिल्कुल फिक्र नहीं कर. Okay, let me speak with Adam. Adam is a shy gentleman, really wonderful guy. I want to ask you, do you know what gilli means in India?
No.
Okay, gilli is like a sport we play, like gilli danda.
Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me, Dada, gilli को टीम में ले लो, क्रिकेट खेले ना खेले, डिंडा यहाँ से बॉलिंग करे, गिल्ली यहाँ पर विकेट कीपिंग करे, गिल्ली डिंडा की टीम अच्छी हो जाएगी हमारी. Oh, sorry. That's one of the sports we play, gilli dinda. Dinda. Yeah. And gilli means like, it's like a bale. It's like an Indian version of cricket here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And Yuvraj, isko India bahut pasand hai. So I want to teach you how to say, I like your mother country. Mother is Ma in India. So I'll teach you in Hindi. I saw an ad of Adam and I was really impressed that he knows Hindi. तो मैं इसको हिंदी में बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं तुम्हारी mother country से प्यार करता हूँ.
I must say the only Hindi line I learned in that ad was one that they told me it was talking. No, not the julab ad. No, another one where I had to talk about telling a young Indian lady how beautiful she was. So I rang Yuvraj because I thought he was the go-to man if I needed to sweet talk a young lady, and he told me.
Did she go back home with you?
No, she's still in the restaurant.
So that's the wrong guy. Next time call me or Harbhajan. We are the men.
Tum bahut khub sarat ho.
Oh, lovely, man.
So that's what he taught me.
Yeah, that's very, very pretty.
No,
and now we're going to teach you how to say, I love your mother country. So
yeah,
say,
which I do. I
okay.
very much appreciate India. And
tum,
nahi,
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
माँ बनने वाले हो.
Yeah. Okay? So every interview that you give...
Why are they laughing at me?
No, they're very proud of the fact that you're calling our country...
You stitched me up.
Not at all, Adam.
You stitched me up.
Do I look like that?
You're as bad as my teammates in that ad,
No, not at all. Ask you
about Kave.
What would the cricket... क्या बताया? सही बताया.
तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
We say this. We love our country, so whenever the next interview that you give for IPL, you should say it loud and clear and tell them I taught you this. Say it to the whole country and to Australia and to the rest of the cricketing world. मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. माँ बनने वाली हूँ. Perfect. Thank you, Adam. This is really nice. We as Indians are very, very proud of you. Thank you very much. And
you've stitched me right up there.
No, not at all. I just said that. No. Like, okay, let me be honest. I just said that you're pregnant with an Indian child.